In this tutorial, we will learn to fix your DirecTV box which is not showing its picture. So here's a troubleshooting guide for your HDMI signal and display. Fix 1. Perform a hard red button reset. Locate the small physical red reset button on your DirecTV box, usually hidden on the side panel or behind an access door on the front panel. Press and hold the button down for 3 to 5 seconds, then release it. Wait for 3 to 10 minutes for the receiver to completely clear its internal cache. Run its hardware check and reboot back to live television. Fix to reset the HDMI handshake. Turn off both your television and your DirecTV box. Unplug the HDMI cable from the back of the DirecTV box and back of your television. Leave the cable disconnected for 30 seconds, then plug it back in firmly to both the devices. Turn on the TV first. Wait for the screen to boot up and then power on the DirecTV box to force a fresh digital handshake. Fix 3. Test a different HDMI port and cable. Unplug the HDMI cable from its current port on your TV, example HDMI 1, and plug it into an alternative slot, for example HDMI 2 or HDMI 3. Use your television's original remote control to change the input source to match the new port number. If the screen is still black, swap out the wire completely with a known working high-speed HDMI cable. Fix 4. Force a resolution reset. Look at the front panel of your DirecTV receiver to find the resolution button or light indicators. Press the rest or resolution button repeatedly. Each press toggles the box through different baseline video outputs like 480i, 480p, 720p, 1080i, or 1080p. Stop when a picture finally pops up on your TV screen, allowing you to see the menu again. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.